heat 7 in the water. Meet record in this event is a 104.53. Swimmers would have to split under 31 seconds to have a shot at this. Not far off is Jill Berger at Potomac Valley. She'd have to have a very fast back 50. Great race in the middle of the pool here. Marino in 3, Berger in 4. .104.53, the meet record. Just off of that, a 106.27.